You have an Opus card and need to top it up and add more rides? Not to worry. In this video, I will go over step by step how to do this on a reloadable card here on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. To add more rides to your Opus card, the easiest way to do this is to go up to a reloadable ticket machine. These look similar to the ticket machines. Both are orange. The reloadable ones, though, are thinner, and they are in every metro station, like the ticket machines. The screens are not touch screens, so you need to click the buttons beside the orange comments instead. Just remember though, if you're paying by cash, then you need to go to a ticket machine, because the reloadable machines only take credit or debit. So if you need a ticket machine to reload your Opus card, then I'll post a video how you can do this at the end of this video. You'll notice on the screen when you start, it will always be in French. To change to English, click the bottom left button. Now, the screen will display in English, and you will see an image to where you place your Opus card and follow the instructions. Slide your card in the slot on the machine. The slot is below the left-hand side of the screen. The screen itself will display the card number and how long it will be valid for, which is 5 years from the day I purchased the card. It also shows what I had in my card, which was 2 trips. From here, I can go back clicking the bottom button on the left of the screen where it says Home. To add rides, click the bottom button to the right where it says Reload Opus Card on the screen. On the next screen, the machine, it gives me options. On the left screen is Show Opus Card Contents. If you click this, it will show what you currently have on the card. May it be passes, remaining trips or tickets, or expiring dates. Since the card is new and it's already said I have 1 trip on my remaining balance, you don't need to use this. On the right side of the screen, you can use single rides, 2 trips up to 10 trips, limited evenings or weekend passes, weekly or monthly passes, or reduced fares for students, seniors, or children. In our case, we just need 2 trips. Because we've already chosen this before, the machine has Zone A 2 trips listed, in case we want to pick this again. So we click the button on the right side of the screen. When you click this, it does give the opportunity to add more rides. I chose 2 trips, and then the screen will show your total for a top-up, and on this machine, the only choice for a top-up is by a credit card or a Canadian debit card. It must be Canadian. Credit cards, on the other hand, can be from any country as long as it's a Visa or MasterCard. Then you place your card into the machine and type in your PIN code. Once the transaction is approved, take out your card and take back your Opus card, now fully loaded. You can also reload an Opus card on a ticket machine, or if this is too confusing, you can also go to staff to get help as well. And now you can sit back on the metro. If you need to learn how to use a metro system in Montreal, or how to purchase an Opus card, or a non-reloadable card, or which card on the metro is the best fit for you, check out these videos, and check out all of my videos. And please, subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.